Welcome to my channel. So today I have a remix going on. It's called Feed a Family of 7 under 60 bucks nachos. You know what I mean? My homemade nachos. So we're going to use for the nachos, I have 3 packs of smoked sausage right here. I have the cheddar smoked sausage, I have the jalapeno smoked sausage, and I have regular smoked sausage. So that's 3 packs of sausage. Right here, what we have is 2 things of bacon, 2 packs of bacon right there. So we have right here 3 cans of chili and 6 shrimp flavor tart ramens. And you know what I mean, the jack cheddar cheese. So we have the chips, but we'll show that, you know what I mean, in the end, the chips that we're gonna be using. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these sausage in this pan and saute it with a little bit of olive oil in there and saute the sausage. The bacon, I'm gonna put them in the oven and I'm gonna put them on boil for like 5 minutes so I can get that cool crunch to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this process going and I'll be back. Okay, so here we go right here. I got my fire on. So I'm finna pour a little bit of olive oil in there, not much. About that much right there, you know what I mean? I have my noodles going right here. So my noodles is boiling. You know, they don't gotta boil too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this fire and get this little olive oil hot. And then I'm gonna pour this in there to saute. So I'm waiting for my oven to get right, and then I'm gonna throw that in the oven and let it do its thing. I got my chili in the microwave, so I put that on for 6 minutes. 3 cans of chili, got it on there for 6 minutes. And I have my black olives, and I'm gonna check and see if I have some jalapeno peppers, because I want it to be a little hot tonight. Yeah. So I did the first one, you know what I mean, Feed a Family of 7 under 60 bucks. That was with a homemade tamale. So this time it's with, you know what I mean, some nachos. Make a homemade nachos, you know what I mean, my way, the way I do it in my kitchen. So let it do its thing. Oh. Put this in the sink. And last time I used what's that, babe? Beef?
I think so.
Beef noodles. Nah, it was chicken. It was chicken noodles. So this time I'm gonna use shrimp. You know what I mean? Okay, I want every little piece of meat to get some, you know what I mean, good coat with olive oil. Once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and just let it do its thing. Put the top on there and let it do its thing. Okay, that's about right there. And I'm gonna hit it with a stir in a minute. So that's that right there. So the noodles is about ready, and keep it real with you, man, it's just like 25 minutes of cooking, you know what I mean? Some nachos, you know, I could have used the ground beef, all that other stuff, but I want to be up under 60 bucks, you know what I mean? Next time I might do something with some ground beef or whatever, but I'm gonna do it this way. So this is how we looking right now. But once it's all said and done, it's gonna be right. Believe that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this right, and I'll be back. Okay, so here we go right here. Everything is done and ready. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and put the chips on. So I got me some barbecue sweet Sauteed heat. You know what I mean? Something different. You know, just something different, you know what I mean, for the girls. Oh, alright, spread that around like that there. Now we got our Doritos. Oh. Like I said, this is my remix right here. Cool remix. Bam. So now it's time for the noodles to go on there. So we're gonna do the noodles like this here. Hope it didn't dry out. So what we're gonna do, we just gonna put noodles all over it. Oh. Okay. Alright, so that's cool for right now. You know, if anybody else wants some noodles, then, you know, we just give them some noodles on the side. So, boom, we got our meat, bacon, everything right here. Our sausage and bacon. Boom. Hold on, it's kind of hot. Now you turn to a hot boy. It's gonna get a little messy, but we ain't worrying about it. We cleaned up. So we have extra, you know what I mean? Somebody wants some extra meat. But like I say, this is my remix. You know what I mean? Under 60 bucks. And I think this will feed more than a family of 7. Keep it real with you. Bam. There we go right there. Wash my hands again. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this right here. Now this is chili. Bam. Stir this up with the cheese in there. Bam. That's how we gonna do it. It's called Messy Night. That's how we looking. Come around. have put some green onions, but I couldn't sneak them in. Tonight, my wife, she on me like a hawk. She like, nah, babe. I'm like, alright.
You could put on yours.
Yeah. So, that's that right there. We got extra meat, extra everything. Well, put some of this right here. Some olives on there, some black olives. Well, you know. Like I said, you can coat it with anything you want, yeah. You know. But this is just a cool idea for, you know, my subscribers. Let me know in the comment section if I missed a spot. Oh, my wife already told me. Wash my hands. Alright. I ain't too much care for no sour cream or nothing like that, so I'm not gonna put nothing on there. You know, everybody else can put it on their plate or whatever. I don't even think I have any. Keep it real with you. So I'm not gonna fake the funk.
I think we just used the last one.
Oh, you did? Alright, so here we go right here. You know what I mean? Nice little nachos. Feed a family of 7 under 60 bucks. I use 6 Thai ramen shrimp noodles. And I only used 4 of the season pack. I kept 2. They hiding. Boom, here they go right there. I kept 2 of them. I only used 4 on 6 Thai ramen noodles. And there you go right there. You know what I mean? So this how we looking. Little mess, you know what I mean? So what I'm finna do now, I'm gonna clean up the mess. Hey, do I got jalapenos?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I'm gonna make my plate. And I don't know, I might let this be my thumbnail. No, yeah, I'm gonna let this be my thumbnail because it is feed a family of 7 under 60 bucks. You know what I mean? Homemade, my way nachos. So that's how we looking, pimps, subscribers. So I'll be back. Okay, so here we go right here. This how we gonna do it. I got my hot peppers right there. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna make my plate in a few. This gonna be my thumbnail right here. Cause I want everybody to see, you know what I mean, when they read the title, boom, they see that big plate of nachos. You know what I mean? Homemade nachos in my kitchen. They call it love in my kitchen, you hear? So here we go right here. Feed a family of 7 under 60 bucks. Nice nachos. Right there. So don't forget, hit that bell, all notification, thumbs up, share, and comment. It was nice filming with y'all. Y'all have a good night. God bless.